The pencil is one of the most popular writing instruments ever invented. It is used for drawing, painting, and marking all around the world. Approximately 6 billion pencils are manufactured each year. In this video, we will explore the manufacturing process of Faber Castell pencils. Pencil leads are created from graphite, a type of mineral coal formed from deposits of prehistoric algae that have been buried for over 400 million years. Although graphite resembles coal, it is much softer and can release fine particles when pressed against paper, leaving dark marks. Initially, the early pencil manufacturers extracted graphite directly from mines. However, in 1795, the Frenchman Nicolas Jacques Conti devised an innovative way to combine graphite with clay and encapsulate them in wood, giving birth to the pencil as we know it today. To extract graphite, miners use perforating hammers to create holes for placing explosives. Once on the surface, the rock is crushed, transforming it into a fine and dry powder ready to be sent to the historic German pencil factory, Faber Castell, with over 200 years of legacy. The lead is composed of graphite, clay, and a small amount of water. The clay-to-graphite ratio determines the hardness of the pencil, while the graphite content influences the writing tone. For lead manufacturing, manufacturers mix graphite and clay in a giant mixer and add water. After resting for an hour and a half, uniform granules are obtained that will form the lead. The mixture is stretched under high pressure, almost 10 tons per square centimeter, creating a similar appearance to the final leads, although they are still soft and flexible at this stage. To achieve their durability, the leads are baked at 120 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, and then at around 1000 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to strengthen them and give them their final resilience. Colored pencils do not undergo this treatment. The high temperature would destroy the pigments. The wax bath gives the pencils a silky surface. This process makes them harder and as resilient as pencil leads. The more wax the mixture contains, the harder and darker the lead level will be. The wax seals the pores of the lead, creating a surface that glides smoothly over the paper. For proper encapsulation, a wood that is soft enough to shape yet sufficiently strong not to bend in the writer's hand is selected, such as cedar wood. After the leads are manufactured, they are inserted into cedar wood, which is cut into slats with grooves to accommodate them. Once assembled, the slats are dried in an oven for almost an hour. In the following step, the slats pass through a milling machine that gives them the proper shape. This is probably one of the most important machines for pencil production, as it cuts the wood into the required shape, whether triangular, hexagonal, or cylindrical. The pencils are manually tested for quality and durability before being coated with layers of paint to achieve a perfect finish. A final water-based varnish coating protects the pencil and provides a smooth surface. Because people often have the habit of putting pencils in their mouths and biting them, the varnish used to coat the pencils is water-based and free from harmful toxic substances. The pencils pass through a stamping machine, which impresses the code and the mark of the respective industry at an impressive rate of 500 pencils per minute. To conclude the manufacturing process, an eraser is placed on some pencils. The pencils are directed to a machine that first adds an aluminum ferrule and then places the eraser with pressure. An operator checks the pencils by hand, they are packed in boxes, and they are distributed worldwide. In this way, over 180 million pencils are produced each year in the Faber Castell factory. If you're interested in learning how gold ingots are made, you can find the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share it with other interested individuals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to continue learning.